How to save money at the gas pump. According to AAA, the national average price for normal gasoline is now $3.27 per gallon, which is 3 cents less than it was a year ago. The cost of gas varies by location, with prices in the West and Northeast trending higher and those in the Midwest and Southeast trending lower. On June 14, 2022, the price reached its top of $5.02. Naturally, the cost will vary depending on the petrol station you use. Texas has the lowest average price, $2.85 per gallon, while Hawaii has the highest average price, $5.01 per gallon. Yet, there may also be large pricing variations among gas stations in the same city. For instance, the Speedway Express station at 4069 State Street in Santa Barbara, California, is currently charging $4.18 a gallon for regular, while the Chevron station at 1085 Coast Village Drive is only a few miles away and is costing $4.69 per gallon. This implies that where you choose to buy your gasoline might have a significant impact on how much you pay to fuel your car. At the Chevron, 15 gallons of standard gasoline would cost $7.65 more than at the Speedway Express. With a weekly fill-up, the difference can really add up, amounting to $398 per year. According to a research by AAA, some drivers unnecessarily purchase more expensive premium petrol for vehicles made to run on normal fuel. According to AAA, mid-grade gasoline, $3.69, costs 42 cents more per gallon than ordinary gas, and premium gas, $4.01, costs 74 cents more than regular, based on the current national average price of gasoline. For a 15-gallon fill-up, the difference between mid-grade and premium is $6.30 and $11.10, respectively. All costs are as of January 13, 2023. Learn whether a gas credit card is worthwhile and whether the gas savings from Sam's Club and Costco will offset the cost of your membership. How to spend less on gas. According to Patrick DeHaan, Senior Petroleum Analyst at GasBuddy, a website and mobile app that assists drivers in finding the cheapest prices, if you're simply looking at the price from the street, you're leaving money on the table. There are steps you may take to reduce your gas costs. These include: utilize a website or app for gas stations. When you're on the go and away from your computer, smartphone apps from companies like GasBuddy, AAA, and Gas Guru come in handy. Both Apple and Android devices can use them. Several people are unemployed. Get GPS-assisted instructions to the station of your choice, along with the ability to filter results by fuel grade, sort by distance, and sort by price. You may look up station amenities like ATMs, restaurants, and car washes with GasBuddy and Fuel Finder. With the help of the station reviews on GasBuddy, you could learn, for example, which toilets to avoid. Also, Gas Guru enables you to save your favorite stations so you will always know where to stop on the way home. The popular Google Maps and Waze apps, which provide real-time traffic updates and directions, also include information on petrol prices. According to Michael Calkins, a manager at AAA, you might find that you can get a better rate at stations that are not close to busy roads. Taking a long detour to save money might not make sense, of course. Also, Calkins advises considering just top-tier detergent gasoline, which is better for your automobile, while comparing rates. Examine the costs in the various states you'll be visiting. Costs can change dramatically between states, frequently as a result of variations in state gas taxes. DeHaan discovered that gas costs were much lower on the Ohio side of the Pennsylvania border when traveling on Interstate 90, for instance. Consider the best payment option. At some stations, paying with cash as opposed to a credit card results in a lesser pricing. DeHaan claims that the price differential between the cash and card prices typically varies from about 10 to 15 cents per gallon, however he adds that it occasionally reaches as high as $1. Using a credit card that offers cash back is an additional choice. Using a credit card may be more expensive than paying with cash, but you can end up saving money if you do so because of the benefit. It's important to keep in mind that a rewards credit card can offer even bigger discounts than a gas credit card from a major oil business, like Texaco or Chevron, according to DeHaan. Some credit cards provide sign-up incentives in the form of cash or points, while others provide gas station discounts. For instance, the Bank of America Tailored Cash Rewards credit card gives new cardholders who make $1,000 in purchases within the first 9 days of card possession a $200 bonus. In comparison, the ExxonMobil Smart Card offers a 6-cent savings on each gallon of fuel purchased. Do not presume that you will be paying the cash price if you intend to pay with a debit card. You can be charged the credit card rate instead at some stations. Check the pump's posted prices. According to Lyle Beckwith, Senior Vice President of the National Association of Convenience Stores, based in Alexandria, Virginia, choosing the debit option and providing a PIN at the gas pump is frequently a solid indication that your transaction will be treated as cash. Speed up. With costs as high as they are, DeHaan thinks it might sound foolish, but it's a good idea to keep your foot off the accelerator. In a city, this entails slowing down your acceleration, and on a highway, it means staying below 75 miles per hour, above which, according to him, wind resistance reduces your fuel efficiency. According to him, lowering your speed to 65 on the highway can result in a 15 to 20% improvement in fuel efficiency. Check the tire pressure. Your automobile will run more efficiently if the tires are inflated to the pressure shown on the sticker inside the driver's door. Limit your use of the car. You'll pay less at the pump if you can avoid driving by walking, using public transportation, or staying home. If you must drive somewhere, attempt to combine appointments and errands to avoid making repeated journeys and wasting additional fuel.